Hey y'all, it's Miss Vicki B. We're back again. Today I'm going to do my dining room. I'm just going to wipe down everything, clean it up, and get all this summer stuff out of here so that tomorrow I can do my fall decorating. I've been waiting for that all week. I'm so excited. And that's going to be my last video in this series. But today I'm fixing to flip you around and show you exactly what I'm going to clean up in this dining room, and we're going to get this summer stuff packed up. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is this kitchen table. I did have all my fall decor just piled up on the kitchen table, but I've got it somewhat organized now in 3 different spaces, so I can kind of see about what all I've got and what I want to do with it tomorrow. So today I'm going to clean up these placemats and the coasters and this little, it's actually a cutting board, but I just used it for decor this summer, and get those put away, wipe down the kitchen table. And then I've got to clean off this shelf here, and basically all that is summer stuff I've got to take down. I'm not messing with this shelf yet. That's my pantry, but I've got stuff stored up there that I'm keeping, like some of that little Coca-Cola stuff. You know, I got rid of most of my Coca-Cola stuff last year, but I kept just a few things that people gave me for gifts. So I got to decide where I want to store those, and just oddball stuff up there that I've got to figure out where I want to put it. So I'm not going to deal with that right now. But I am going to steal this little bread shelf again. My husband made me this little shelf to store my bread on. And guess what? I like it better with decor on it than bread. So that's what it's turned into. And then I'm going to clean up this microwave area and get that summer stuff put away. This candle's all used up already. It won't burn anymore, so that'll be trash. And then the top of my wine rack, I always decorate that too. So we're gonna wipe that down and get all that stuff put up, and then we'll be ready for some fall decor. So let's jump right in and get this dining room cleaned up today. This is one of the new, well, they're not brand new. I bought them for Easter, but like spring. See how white this is? Then here's one that I spilled coffee on just once, and I cleaned it right up. It's been stained ever since. Isn't that crazy? This is my little Candace when she was a kid. And my little Katie when she was a kid. Okay, y'all, everything's wiped down now, and we've got clean slates in here to start with the fall decor for tomorrow. Wiped down all these, took off all the stuff, wiped it down too, and this is completely clear. I've still got my lights up, and I took the excess that was just laying on the top of that shelf and made a strand underneath the shelf. I thought that looks better. Oh snap, I just realized I didn't take my signs down. I gotta take down these two signs and this sign to make room for Halloween and fall signs. We're not gonna do Halloween until a couple of weeks, but tomorrow we're doing fall. So let me get this stuff down. Okay, y'all, that's about it. We've spent the past few days cleaning and decluttering a little bit of stuff and taking down all the summer decor. So now it's time to put up the fall decor. That'll be tomorrow. I'm gonna have so much fun with that. I hope y'all enjoy that video. And we'll see you then. I hope you have a good day. Bye.